How to recover HSBC online banking username. In order to do so, you may follow the step. So open up your browser, your preferred browser, and search HSBC, and there you'll be finding a link. Tap on that first link. After tapping on the first link, you will be taken to this page. So here you'll be finding different information about the bank itself and different other options. So what you're going to do is look for the login option on your screen at the top. Once you tap on login option, here you will be finding download the application. Let's head over with browser only for now. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to a dashboard, login dashboard. So wait for the page to load up completely first. So here, in order to log in, you need to go ahead and enter up your username. So if you've forgotten your username, in order to recover it, in this section, you should be finding option called forgot your username. You may tap on it. And then after tapping on it, it will take you to another page. So all you gotta do is start this verification process. So you need to enter up your social security number. And after that is done, you need to select up your card type. Either it is a debit card or a credit card. After that, enter up your card number that you have on your card and the PIN of your card number. Once that is done, you can continue the process. And after that is done, they should probably view your request. And once that is done, they should help you recover your online banking username and reach out to you. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.